Ever received an email that seemed too good to be true? Maybe a message telling you that you won a huge prize, or a warning saying your account has been compromised. Hold on, it might be a trap. Today, we're diving into the dark art of phishing, one of the most common tactics cybercriminals use to trick you. We'll break down what phishing is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can protect yourself. So stick around, because this information could save you from a major headache. Okay, let's start with the basics. What exactly is phishing? It's a type of cyber attack where hackers try to trick you into giving away sensitive information like your passwords, credit card numbers, or even your social media accounts. They usually do this by pretending to be someone you trust, like your bank, a popular website, or even your boss. Take a look at this fake email. Looks real, right? But it's actually a phishing attempt designed to steal your login details. And guess what? A huge number of people fall for these traps every day. Now, how does phishing actually work? Let me break it down into 3 simple steps. First, the bait. This is where cybercriminals craft a fake email, text message, or even a social media message that looks like it's from a trusted source. It could be anything from a fake job offer to a security alert from your bank. Next, the hook. This is where they try to lure you in by creating a sense of urgency. They'll say things like your account will be locked in 24 hours, or you need to verify your details to win a prize. This gets you to click on a link or download an attachment without thinking twice. And finally, the catch. This is the dangerous part. You click on that link and boom, you're taken to a fake website that looks just like the real thing. You enter your login details, thinking you're logging to your account, but you've just handed over your username and password to a hacker. They can now access your accounts, steal your money, or even use your info to trick others. Scary, right? But don't worry, we've got some tips to keep you safe. Keep watching. There are different types of phishing attacks, and they're always evolving. Here are some common ones you should know about. Email phishing. This is the most popular one, where hackers send fake emails pretending to be from companies like PayPal, Amazon, or even Netflix. Remember, no legit company will ask you to share sensitive information via email. Spear phishing. Unlike regular phishing, this one is more targeted. It's aimed at specific individuals or organizations, making it way harder to detect. Imagine getting an email that looks like it's from your boss, asking for confidential files. Smishing is phishing through text messages, and Vishing is through phone calls. Ever gotten a random text about a banking issue or a call from someone claiming to be tech support? Yep, that's smishing and vishing at work. Alright, here's the part you've been waiting for: how to spot and avoid phishing attempts like a pro. Always remember the golden rules of phishing prevention. Double-check email addresses. Look for grammar mistakes. Legit companies rarely have typos in their email. Don't click on suspicious links. Hover over them first to see where they actually lead. Enable 2-factor authentication on your accounts. Even if they get your password, it won't be enough. These small steps can go a long way in keeping you safe from cyber scams. And hey, when in doubt, contact the company directly. Never use the phone numbers or links provided in the suspicious message. So there you have it. Now you know what phishing is, how it works, and how to stay safe. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You never know who might need this information. And if you're curious about more cybersecurity tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.